All right, diving right in, we're talking MemeFi today. Big news dropped about their airdrop.
Huge, actually. Definitely got everyone talking.
And, everyone wants to know how to get a piece of it, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's the million-dollar question.
So we're going to break down how this airdrop works, specifically for you, our listeners, what it means for you.
Right.
No point listening otherwise.
Exactly. Need to know how to actually benefit. This isn't just about rewarding, it is about rewarding early supporters, right?
Yeah.
But it's also kind of like MemeFi playing the long game.
Right. Trying to keep people engaged.
Exactly.
Smart. So how are they, dividing up the pie? Who gets what?
Okay, so two main slices. Telegram users, big one there. And then your Web3 folks.
Okay, so your Telegram group and then just people involved in crypto already kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly. And get this, the Telegram community, they're getting a huge chunk, 85%.
Whoa, wait. 85%. That's most of it.
Right. Shows you where they see the biggest growth potential.
Right.
Yeah.
Clearly. So, all right. I'm in the Telegram group. What do I have to do?
So there are actually two main ways you can qualify.
Yeah.
And good news, you only need one. First one, the total value of your MemeFi purchases, everything you've bought.
Okay.
Or just holding a certain amount of their coins.
So even if I just buy some now and just hold on to them, I'm good.
It's not about a specific cutoff amount, more about the more you hold, the better your chances.
Right. Makes sense. So it's all relative to everyone else.
Yeah. They're using a system, basically more coins, higher potential reward. Makes sense. Rewards those who are, really in it.
Yeah, true believers. Okay, but then I heard about this whole hidden criteria thing.
Right. Think of it less like hidden, more like bonus points.
Okay, I like bonus points.
Right. So things like participating in their giveaways, if you've got a premium membership, even stuff on chain, it all adds up.
Interesting.
They want people active, not just, sitting on their wallets. Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, now that other slice, the Web3 crew. That's only 5% of the pie.
Yeah, so much smaller.
Much smaller, way more exclusive,
Okay.
Right? It's about recognizing the OGs, those who were there early.
The foundation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The builders.
Love it. Okay, how do I get in that club? Not the Telegram, the other one.
5 main things. And they've already taken snapshots, by the way. So this is all about what you did before, not what you can do now.
No last minute cramming for this one.
Nope. So your testnet and mainnet points, owning their NFTs, doing the Gauss staking, and then there's a little Nomis score thing.
Now, some people might not know what's a Nomis score. I know, but for the newbies out there.
Basically, think of it like your Web3 reputation score. It looks at everything. Transactions, how long you've been around, all that.
Higher the better. Right.
Exactly. And it's not just those 5 main criteria either.
There's more.
Yeah. They've got these additional criteria.
Mm-hmm.
Things like specific rules in their Discord, being an early adopter on certain platforms. They're really trying to recognize every single way you can be a part of the community.
Wow, it's really granular?
Yeah, they're not messing around. Okay, so we know who qualifies, but how do they actually, split it all up?
Yeah, how do they decide who gets how much?
This is where it gets a little technical, but I'll make it simple.
Please do.
So different parts of the airdrop are divided up differently.
Okay.
Testnet points, they're using what's called a power function.
Yeah.
So basically, more points, bigger share, but there's a minimum to even get anything.
Makes sense.
Then for the mainnet points, it's a tiered system. Higher tiers get more, obviously. Things like how much you've transacted, how long you've staked, that kind of thing will matter.
Card.
And then for those who did the Galax stuff, the distribution is tied to the supply they allocated to each quest. So it depends on what you did.
Okay. So it's complex, but it sounds like they're trying to be fair, rewarding different kinds of participation.
Exactly. They're trying to make it as fair as possible.
But is this all final? Are these the rules set in stone?
Well, about that. MemeFi's hinted they might tweak things.
Oh, really?
Yep. They're listening to the community, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
And, got to watch out for people trying to cheat the system, right? Plus, who knows what new info will come up. They might need to adapt.
Yeah. Makes sense. Things change so quickly in this space, it's almost impossible to have all the answers on day one, right?
Exactly. And honestly, I think that's a good thing. Shows they're thinking long term, not just trying to hype things up for a quick buck.
It's like they're saying, hey, we're in this for the long haul.
Exactly.
Building something sustainable.
Exactly.
So what does all this mean, really? They're rewarding the community, sure, but are they going to attract new people with this?
That's the big question, right? Is this the future of how we build in Web3? Is this how we keep people engaged? I don't know. but it's definitely interesting to watch. What do you think? What do our listeners think?
Yeah. Hit us up on Twitter. Let us know what you think about MemeFi's grand experiment. We want to hear your theories.